Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on how to read a particular cell value in Excel sheet in SSIS. So first of all, I will show my sheet. This is my Excel sheet. It contains some person data. So if you observe the sheet, the data contains from 10th row onwards. So the first 10 columns are empty, but you observe in C7, in C7 cell, there is a one string is there, one text is there, person report for the end of this quarter. This is the text. I am copying this text here. So this is, I want to pick this text and want to show the message what is the text that are there in this cell value. So I will show now in this demo. And one more thing you need to observe here, the sheet name it contains, it's not sheet 1 or sheet 2, it is showing the sheet name as here data. So this is the sheet name. Obviously when you select the second one, it becomes sheet 1, but here entire data will stored in the name data. I am deleting this one. Only one sheet is there, that is the name of the sheet is data. I am using the furthest. I am taking two tasks. So to read the data from a particular cell, I am using two tasks. One is execute SQL task. This is for reading the cell value from the sheet. And second one is script task. Script task is just showing the message of this string, message of string in the cell which is there in the cell value of your Excel sheet. Before that, I am creating one variable whose data type is a string. I am mentioning it as a cell value, changing the data type as a string, and configuring the execute SQL task. So by default, these are the parameters there it is showing. In the result set, I will take it as a single row. In OLDB connection type, I am changing it to Excel. So in Excel, I want to take a connection. I am uncheck this first row as the column names and browse the sheet where it is located. This is my personal sheet. I am selecting that sheet. So Excel source data type is the direct input. So here I am writing one select statement. So I already shown that the name of the sheet is data. Here I am writing select star from within square brackets. I am using data dollar symbol. Cell value exists in the C7. So to read the value from the C7, here I am giving the range of that to read the data. Range of that cell value is C7, C8. So if you give only C7, it won't read. So you have to give, if you read the C7, you have to give the cell range as C8. This is my single SQL statement in a SQL query. So next I am going to result set, add one variable called cell value. I make it as the index as 0 and click OK. Now I am dragging script task and connecting with the execute SQL task. So double click. Here in read only variables, I am selecting user cell value, going with edit script. I need to write one message box to show the message that are there in the cell value. So here I am writing message box dot show So here I am writing dts dot variables, dts dot variables. So here I am pasting the user variable, double quotes, and pasting this user variable dot value, again dot to string. This is the code, and end with semicolon. And I am saving this code. Close it. Okay. Now if you run this package, you will get that message which is there in the person report for the end of this quarter is the value that are stored in the Excel sheet. See here, person report for the end of this quarter. The same value there in the Excel sheet. So this is how you need to read any particular value of your Excel sheet by using the execute SQL task and skip task. Just to configure, take a single row and giving connection type as Excel and Excel connection manager you have to give to browse your Excel sheet from the where it is located, and direct input, and you need to write this command. So if there is a sheet one, you need to mention as a sheet one dollar and mention the range of the cell. And as per your sheet name, you have to mention here, and you have mentioned the range. So here range in the sense, if you want to pick the cell particular C7, you need to give C7 and C8 range. So otherwise it can't read. So this is how you need to read the value from a Excel cell by using the SSIS package. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.